As for your driver's license, the age requirements depend on the code of the driver's license. Remember, there is a code for the learner's license and there is a code for the driver's license. The codes for learners, we talked about code 1, 2, and 3. Now we are on the driver's license itself. So the codes for motorcycles which are less than 125, it's called code A1. And the age requirement for you to be able to ride that motorcycle is 16 years. For code A, which is a motorcycle bigger than 125 cubic centimeters of engine size, you must be at least 18 years old. And for your light passenger vehicle, which is less than 3,500, it can also be a minibus or a goods vehicle as long as the vehicle mass is less than 3,500. And it can also carry a trailer as long as the trailer is less than 750 kilograms. For that, you need a code B driver's license and you must be at least 18 years old. For heavy motor vehicles where the tare is more than 3,500 but less than 16,000 kgs, right? It can also be a minibus, a bus, or a goods vehicle. As long as it is more than 3,500 but less than 16,000. It's code C1 and you must be 18 years old. For category or code C driver's license, that is an extra heavy motor vehicle and it should be more than 16,000 kilograms, right? You must be 18 years old. Code BE, which is a light motor vehicle which is carrying or combined with another item which can be a caravan or a minibus or anything, as long as both are less than 3,500 kilograms, you must also be 18. For a heavy-duty articulated motor vehicles, you need code C1E and you must be 18 years old as well. And then for an extra heavy articulated motor vehicle, so when any vehicles are combined by a trailer or something else, most likely a trailer, then we mean that is articulated. It's combining a vehicle with a trailer. So anytime there is combination and articulation of a motor vehicle and a trailer, your age restriction for the driver's license is 18 years. Your driver's license is valid for 60 months or 5 years. Now, there are conditions for using a driver's license if you want to use it for professional purposes. A driver with a code C1, C, C1E and CE must have a professional authorization endorsed on the license. As you can see there, it's written PA category. For this particular license, it's G, P. So what does that mean? So when you are transporting passengers for reward, you will have a professional authorization P. So that is for your taxis. When you are transporting goods only, you will have a professional authorization G. When you are transporting dangerous goods, then you will have a professional authorization D. And when you are driving a breakdown vehicle, you also have a professional authorization as such. There's no letter for that. When you are having a license that requires a professional authorization, there are age restrictions. So if you wish to transport passengers for reward, which is driving a taxi, you must be at least 21 years old. Okay? If you wish To transport dangerous goods, then you must be at least 25 years old. That is it for the driver's license general information. See you in the next lecture.